height of the tower is equal to AB. Building height is equal to BC. Observer is looking at the tower, top of the tower. Top of the tower is equal to how many degrees are? 60 degrees are. Observer looking at the depression, angle depression. So top of the tower put is equal to 45 degrees. This degree is equal to this degree. This is our depression degrees. These are depression degrees. First triangle, top building height is equal to BC is equal to X DC. DC is equal to X. Height to top of the tower is equal to this first triangle BCD is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent is equal to tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. This length is equal to how many meters are given? That one 7 meters. BC length is equal to 7 meters. Is equal to BC is equal to 7 meters given the question. Opposite is equal to what is that? CD by BC. CD is equal to CD by BC is equal to what is that? 7 meters. Tan 45 is equal to CD by 7 meters. Tan 45 is equal to 1 CD by 7 meters. 7 meters. CD is equal to how much is there? 7 meters. But CD length is equal to, this is a O. BO length are equal. CD length equal to OB length are equal. That is the 7 meters. But triangle, this triangle ADO triangle is equal to triangle ADO triangle is equal to tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is equal to what is that? OA by OD. OA by OD. OA is equal to unknown. OD is equal to how much is there? OD or CD or CDOB are equal. BC equal to OD. These are BC. Tan 60 is equal to OA by BC. OA is equal to OA by BC is equal to 7 meters given the question. Tan 60 is equal to OA by 7 meters. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 OA by 7 meters. OA is equal to 7 root 3. But AB is equal to OA plus OB. AB is equal to OA plus OB. But AB is equal to OA is equal to 7 root 3 given that one. But OB CD is equal to OB 7 meters. OB is equal to 7 meters. AB is equal to 7 plus 7 common, say root 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 meters. AB is equal to 7 root 3 value is equal to 1.732 plus 1 is equal to meters. AB is equal to 7 into 2.32 2.732. AB is equal to 7 2 ja 14 7 3 ja 21 22 7 7 ja 49 51 5 7 2 ja 14 19.124 meters. AB is a tower height. Height of tower height is equal to height of tower is equal to height of tower is equal to 19.124. This is the final answer.